How to find the transaction ID for your PayPal. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to actually get the transaction ID from any transaction that you actually had in PayPal. Now, this is going to work for both PC and also mobile. Now, for mobile, it could be a little bit different, but it's going to be almost the same idea. So just go ahead and try to play around with it until you find it. You can maybe tap on more options and you will find it. I will try to, direct you as much as I could for mobile as well, but I'm just going to be showing you on PC here. So first, on PC, you want to just go ahead and visit paypal.com. From here, you want to log in into your account from here. So just go ahead and click on login, and then you can just, sign in into your account. So next step is going to be after you actually sign in, you want to open up your PayPal account and go to activity. So let's just go and show you how that looks like. So from here, like I said, you will need to once you actually sign in, you will need to go to activity. So activity is basically going to show you pretty much all the transactions that you had in your PayPal account. So you can actually see all the transaction that you need. So go ahead and find the transaction that you want to find the transaction ID for. I know I said transaction a lot, but it is what it is. So go ahead and search for it. If you don't find it, maybe it was, a while back, you can just feel free to click on search by name or email, and you can also search by the name of the actual transaction. So let's say we found it. I'm just going to use this one at the top as an example. So Shopify International Limited transaction that I had. So we can just go ahead and actually click on that. And once you actually click on it, it's actually going to open up more information about it. So here we can actually see, for example, the payment method. You can also see seller information, invoice ID, purchase details, and so on. But most importantly here is going to be this right here. So transaction ID, and you should find the actual transaction ID. You can feel free to actually copy this. Feel free to, do whatever you actually want with it. And this is pretty much how to get the transaction ID from PayPal. So just go ahead and click on any transaction. It's just going to open up the different information about the actual, the transaction, including the transaction ID. Now in mobile, I think you will need to tap something like show more or something like that. And that's actually going to open it up for you. Again, I'm just going to show you for this one as well. So once you actually click on it, you can actually see the details about it and everything, but also you will find the transaction ID over here. So this is all for today. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.